What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So let's begin right away with unboxing this guy right here, the Canon Powershot SX740 HS. And this right here is the travel kit, so it includes the, of course, the camera, a Gorilla Pod, travel case, wrist wrap, battery charger, and battery pack. So quite a lot. And as you see, the box itself, it's very banged up because this is a returned item, and I got this for around 350 euros here in the Netherlands. So really affordable, and this might be the first camera that you will buy for your content creation or just for travels and for your own personal things, right? And for me, because I get so many questions about what is the best camera to start with, what is the best beginner camera, maybe this one is the right one for you. But anyways, this might be a good contender as well, or a good option. So let's unbox it together. Alright, as you see here, this is the little pouch or the case that I don't think I'm going to use this, but anyways, with that aside, we got here this little nice Gorilla Pod. Ah, that's cute. Look how tiny it is. Look how tiny. Alright. Good. Put that aside. And then, of course, the main part of this is, of course, this guy right here. The Canon Powershot SX740 HS. It can actually do 4K, so that's really good if you are going to create video content. But for me, it is both very important to do photography and also a little bit of filmmaking or creating movie clips. Alright, here it goes. A little like manual and some documents. Put that aside. And here it is, the camera itself. Oh, it's actually much smaller than I actually thought it would be. Ah, ooh la la. Wow, it actually looks pretty cool. I have to say it, guys. I actually like it, how it looks. Look at this. Look how small and compact it is. It has a flip up screen, so in this case, if you want to vlog, you can look up a little bit instead of looking at the side. Does it have a hot shoe mount or anything? It doesn't have any mounts at all. So I'm wondering about microphones input. Doesn't have any, I guess. Micro or mini HDMI, and also a little USB-A type of input. Feels really good and solid in hand. Little flash. Little flash. Haha. Alright, good. Then we got here a little hand strappy thing. I think I would use this, but I also got my own. Of course, very important, the battery. Nice little small battery. I don't think much of this battery. Look how small this is. I don't think that will be very good or anything, but you know, who knows. Let's see if we got any juice in it. Oh. Alright. Okay. It actually looks pretty good. I have to say that, guys. I like the screen. Touchscreen. Is it a touchscreen screen or not? It is not a touchscreen. Too bad. Anyways. Alright. It looks pretty good. I have to say that, guys. Look at this. Alright. The screen looks actually pretty decent. I have to say that. But the battery is going to die real quickly. So we're going to charge that. Put this aside. Here's the battery charger, which I really like that this is included, right? So you don't have to connect the camera to something. But I think you can actually do that. Not sure, but I'm gonna try it out. All right, I'm gonna charge the battery, and then I'm gonna switch out the Sony a7 III. Then we'll see what the image quality would be like if we're going to use this little Canon camera in these type of environments, these type of shots, right? So let's switch things. Here we go. All right, this is what you're seeing and hearing right now on the Canon Powershot SX740 HS. 4K 25 frames per second. How does it look? How does it sound? On the little screen it actually looks pretty good, and there's also a little box on my face. So let's quickly check out how this works, or how do I see it. Maybe you can also like witness it as well. As you can see here, you can see a little box on my face, and it tracks my face quite good. I hope it is in focus. From this distance it actually looks in focus as well. How about autofocus? Does it work pretty good? Wow. It looks pretty decent. I'm not sure about the sound quality. Really don't know. I don't see any audio levels at all. So might be a little bit too hard or too soft. I really don't know. I'm not even sure if there is a speaker or a microphone in this little camera. I really don't know. Go again, a little autofocus test. Can get actually pretty close to it. I don't know. I'm not even sure. There's no way to see the ISO levels. I did see something about the aperture, but the ISO levels with video, I do not know. But anyways, here are also some images, some photos that you can see right now, all shot with this Canon. And let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about the image quality for both photo and video. Let me know. And if you got any questions for the full review that will be coming in a few weeks, let me know as well, so that I can explore it for you, right? So that I can have those little answers for you as well if you're interested in buying this little camera. Right. Okay. Alright. That's all for this video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video. Comment down below. Tell me anything that you need to know or want to know about this camera so that I can help you as well. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.
Alright, so it does seem that if you shoot in manual, then you can see the ISO levels and stuff. You can see more things as well. But for me, I don't really know how to navigate it right now. Drive mode, metering mode, image quality, then full HD. So in manual mode you cannot go to 4K somehow. So it's quite strange. The ISO levels, here you can set the ISO levels for photo at least. Natural looking, okay. Alright, 4332. Okay, so let's take some photos. Okay. That's funny.